Now let's go back to that match grip. We started off with the right hand, but let's look at what it looks like with the left hand. It's going to be the same, just on the other hand. Here I am with my right hand. Here I am with my left hand. Here you see I hold it. Ooh, that's hard. Okay. I hold it with my, I'm going to find the American flag. I'm going to put my thumb there. I'm going to put my middle finger on the other side, followed by the ring finger. And then I'm going to wrap my fingers around the stick. Turn my hand over. My hand is parallel to the ground. I'm still using my wrist. For people who their left hand is the weaker hand, this tends to be where people tense up way more because they're scared that they're going to drop the stick. It's still very important that we don't tense up and that we just firmly hold the stick, but still in a relaxed fashion, and we move up and down instead of tensing it up. I am going to do the downstrokes, the taps, and the full strokes with my left hand now. So here is the downstroke with my left hand. I still have, let's see if I can scoot up a little bit more so you can see it. I still have my hand parallel to the ground. The bead is still in the middle of the drum head. So here we have the wrist up, and we're going to do the downstroke with our left hand. That was the downstroke. Now we are going to do taps. Again, just a couple inches off the drum head. It stays low. We don't go too high. Now we're going to do the full strokes. We start up and we end up. You notice when I'm playing, I'm still using my wrist and my fingers are following the stick. Now we will bring our hands together using both match grip on both sides with our beads in the middle of the snare drum. Sometimes I talk with kids about imagining like a quarter in the middle of the snare drum, and that's what you want to aim for, is like a quarter diameter in the middle of the snare drum. We don't want to get out here towards the edge of the head or towards the rim, because you're going to be getting different sounds. So in the middle. We are now going to do what I'm going to call 4 on a hand, and we're going to start off with downstrokes only for the right hand and the left hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do that again. So the downstrokes, we're going to do 4 on a hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how my elbows and my arms are still relaxed. I'm sitting up. My feet are flat on the ground, and my hands are remaining in the same position. As one hand is playing, the other one's still staying there. It's not going off to the side or sitting on my leg or anything like that. I'm holding the position in a relaxed manner with both arms, both hands. Now we will do the taps. 4 on a hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will do our full strokes on each hand. 4 on each hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are all of our strokes, our downstrokes, our taps, our full strokes, with both hands doing American match grip.